Hey guys, are you looking for a way to make an Instagram highlight without a name? In this video, I'll show you how. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own Instagram highlight with no names or labels attached. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, we will simply open up any of the web browser. If you are using an iPhone, you can open up the Safari, and here I am simply open up Google Chrome, and after that you simply have to search for Braille character, and then you have to open up the exact same website. Once you are on this site, you will see that there's a Braille character, so go ahead and tap and hold on that square and simply copy it from here. So after that you simply have to exit this and open up your Instagram mobile application. After that you simply have to tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you simply have to tap on the new to add a new highlight. From here you simply have to select any of this story that you want to make as highlight. After that you simply have to tap on next, and when it will ask you to name the highlight, you simply have to paste that blank box here. Then you have to tap on done, and now as you guys can see that the highlight has been created and it has no name. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.